morning. Welcome back to the channel here, where every morning we have a reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Today we are read from John chapter 3, 14 to 18. Here we say, just like how Moses did lift up the snake in the desert, I said we saw the man where God pick must get lift up. So all of them were trusting in him can live forever. Cause you see, God loved the world so much that him give up him one dege boy picnic. So anybody were trusting in him, now go dead, but I gonna live forever. Cause you see, God ain't send him boy picnic in the world for right off the people them in the world. No, God send him to save them. Anybody who trust in a God boy picnic, now get right off. But the people them when not trusting in him, them right off already. Cause them not trusting a God one dege boy picnic. Them not trusting in him name. A God what this? Thank God.